Hello everyone, welcome to Immigration Tube. My name is Sierra from Visa Place, where we keep you updated with the latest news in immigration and try our very hardest to help you throughout your immigration matters. So I highly recommend hitting the subscribe button up there so you're notified when we have a new video uploaded that could possibly help you out. In this video, I'm going to be talking about gaining Canadian citizenship. So let's get started. Canada is rich with culture and opportunities, leaving many permanent residents wanting to stay in Canada for the rest of their lives as citizens, and the Canadian citizenship application process can help them reach that goal. There's a few reasons why someone permanently living in Canada may want to become a citizen. This may be because they are eligible for more jobs, they can vote, they can travel with a Canadian passport, or because they don't want to have to renew their PR card down the road. There are a few basic eligibility requirements to apply for Canadian citizenship. Those requirements include that you must be a permanent resident in Canada. You must have lived in Canada for at least 3 years out of the last 5. You filed your taxes if needed. You have passed the citizenship test if needed. And you must prove that you have language proficiency in French or English. Now there are 3 main steps to applying for Canadian citizenship. Those steps are, number 1, get an application package. The application package will include the instruction guide and all the forms that you will need to complete. Number 2 is pay the application fees. This may include the processing fee and the right of citizenship fee. And last but not least, submit your application. Once your application has been approved, you may need to take a citizenship test. The citizenship test is designed to allow you to demonstrate what you know about Canada. Once your application has been approved, you may need to take a citizenship test. The citizenship test is designed to allow you to demonstrate what you know about Canada. There are 20 questions that will cover a number of categories in either French or English and is 30 minutes long. The test is both multiple choice and true and false questions. The oath of citizenship is the final stage of the Canadian citizenship process. You will typically receive your ceremony date 2 weeks before the ceremony. Now there are slightly different requirements and procedures for adults, minors with or without guardians, and other individuals, so it's important to speak with an immigration professional to ensure a successful application process. Visa Place has helped thousands of individuals successfully become a Canadian citizen, and we would love to work with you, so contact us today.